Hi, my name is Kendi Animasha. I'm a brand consultant. And for the past few years, I've been training SMEs on how to brand and package their business. And in one of my trainings, one of the participants asked me a question one day like that. And he said, Sir, I run a media company, but people mistake my logo for a real estate company. That what can I do about this? Because this is really affecting our revenue, is affecting our sales. Now, the thing is, in my last teaching, I've talked about what makes a good logo, how to go about your logo. That most of these popular companies, their logo don't really look like what they do, but through consistency over the years, their logo have become a perfect vessel of what we have about them. But for a startup, I would advise you that try as much as possible to make your logo look like what you do. In other words, it really helps your growth, it really helps your revenue. When you are into a real estate company, for example, look at this logo, for example. Me looking at this logo already from afar, you know that this company is about real estate company. Well, look at this logo. This one, they sell perf. From the logo, from everything, perfume room, from the logo, from everything, he knows that this is a perf company. They are into perf business. Or if you look at this one, Azonta Stitches, you know he's a fashion designer. It's always good for a startup to have a logo that communicates what they do. This will help you to grow very fast. This will help you, to have a good cash flow because people will get to understand what you do from afar. Again, I said that it's not necessary your logo look like what you do, but most startups hardly survive 6 months to 1 year. Why? Because of poor cash flow. So if you want to get results very fast, I would advise you as a startup to have a logo that communicates what you do. If your logo don't communicate what you do, it's a matter of time your customer will get to understand your message and the value in which you want to tell your logo around to them later. But again, for you to get a quick, fast feedback about what you do, a good turn up about your business, try as much as possible to make your logo communicate what you do. And trust me, the kind of feedback you get in less than 1 year or 6 months will be so impressive, whereby you want to keep up with what you're doing. If this video is helpful to you guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips on how you can brand and package your business. Don't forget guys, my name is Ken Animasha and I remain your brand consultant. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye.